Hi dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to remove pimples or acne mark. Before that, please subscribe my channel. Now let's open Photoshop. Open your image. Make a duplicate layer. For that, Ctrl+J. If you are using Mac, Command J. Now select Spot Healing Brush tool. And just brush on pimples like this. Now almost pimples are gone, but the skin texture is not perfect, so we are going to do skin smoothing. For that, now create one new layer, Ctrl+J, then select clone stamp tool, and reduce the opacity to 20%. Then hold Alt key and select sample area, then brush like this. You should not overdo smoothing. Now you can merge the layers, Ctrl E for that. Now make one more duplicate layer. We have to reduce the redness on the face. Ctrl J, go to image, adjustments, hue saturation. then reduce the saturation -7 or -8, then increase the hue +4 or +5, then press OK. Now overall red color reduced, but we want only in face, so I'm going to apply vector mask. In layers you can find down third option, that is a vector mask. Click on that and fill black in that. Control backspace for that. Now brush on the face area where you want to reduce, only that area. Otherwise you can just erase the remaining part, only in face you can keep that. Now let's merge the layers, Ctrl+E, and that's it. Thank you for watching.